How to fix ASTRONEER is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. And then go to the general tab and specify the following command in launch options, which is -dx11. And then go to the installed files, click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Now click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 version. Download and install both of them from the links here. And once you finish installing them, you will need to update your graphics card driver or GPU driver. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app and then go to the drivers category or tab, and from here select Game Ready driver, check and download the latest available driver and install it on your system. Now once you're done, you will need to restart your system by clicking power and restart, and then you will need to launch Steam as admin after the reboot. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then you can launch the game again, and this should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.